Dear student, this is Aksana Awal. Today I will take a home science class, and our today's topic is the discussion on the second assignment of home science of class 7. So let's start our class. Students, look at the board. This is our assignment class 7 subject home science and assignment 2. And the second assignment is based on the chapter 4, child as a member of family and society. This assignment is actually based on this chapter, and for writing this assignment you can get help from few lessons that are already given here. That means lesson 1, children in the family and the society. Lesson 2, role of family and environment. Lesson 3, role of the family in the development of a child. And lesson 4, role of a society in the development of child. And students, just look, these are some instructions for you that I discussed here, and these are actually assessment criteria, and now we will discuss on the assignment. Okay, the first thing is that make a list according to the sample list below of you and your family members' work they will do inside the house and outside the house in next 7 days. Sample list, list number 1. Just look, this is the list. This is day, family member and work. So here just look, there are 7 days here, and these are the list of the family members. This is work, and this is the second list. That means make a list according to the sample list below of your family members' contribution in your daily life by observing the 7 days work style. Here is also a list, and the last list is make a list according to the sample list below of what do you do for your family members. Sample list, list number 3. This is list number 3. That means in this assignment you have to write 3 lists. And now we will discuss about this assignment. Just look at the board here. This is your second assignment subject home science, and your date of submission is 17th June. This is your date of submission. And now at first we will discuss about the cover page. Already you have known that how to write a cover page. You can collect the page from school or the Facebook page, and you have to fill up this cover page properly, or you also can make this page by yourself. Okay, so this is cover page, and in the cover page there is a thing that assignment topic, and in the topics place you have to write the chapter's name. That means chapter 4. Chapter 4, the chapter's name, that means child as a member of family and society. You have to write this chapter's title here in the assignment topic. Now list number 1. Students, just look, this is the bigger one. I think among these 3 lists, this is the bigger one. List number 1, just look here, this is the first day. That means you have to write the 7 days work list here, your and your family members. In the first day, just look at this is the important thing that you have to understand, and you have to listen properly, carefully. In first day, just look here, this is your family members list, and this is the work list. Okay, this is the first list. So this is the example. And in the second day also you have to do the same thing like the first day. That means if you write in the second day, suppose you are writing in the second day's work list, you have to write here like just follow the first day. Okay, follow the first day. For the third day also, that means you have to follow the first day. Follow the first day, not for the activities, for the writing style. Follow the first day. For the first day, that means here you have to write like it means that means a family member. Suppose if you are writing just here in the second day, okay, second day you have to write here the family members. Suppose this is family members. Okay, family member, and here and the next point is work list. Okay, that means the work. So here in the second days, at first you have to write here like you. Okay, then father, that means your father, what does he do in the second day? Father, mother, then the other things also. This is for the second day, and in the third day also you have to do the same thing. You have to write these things properly. In the fourth day also you have to do the same thing. This is the fourth day's work. In the fifth day also you have to write these informations properly. That means for every day you have to write the informations of like list like the first day. The work may different. The work may different. That means the second days or the third days, fourth days work may different from the first day. Okay, that doesn't matter. But you have to mention these things properly for each day. And there are 7 days here. So this is the sixth. In the 6th days also you have to write these informations. And in the 7th day also the same thing you have to write. That means you have to mention these points, these informations. Their work may different, but you have to mention at least 2 works. At least 2 works you have to add here. That means what do you do in the first day? You can mention at least 2 works. For your father works also you can mention only 2 works. For mother also you can write the 2 works. For the brother, sister, grandmother, whatever, you have to mention at least 2 works, and you must mention this format or these informations for each day. Okay, I think this is clear to you. And that means you have to follow actually these things properly, and that means for every day you have to write this list. Now go to the second list. Make a list. This is now list number 2. I think list number 1 is clear to you. Now list number 2. Make a list according to the sample list below of your family members' contribution in your daily life by observing their 7 days work style. This is list number 2. Just by writing this frame, then you can write here at least there are 2 contributions. At least 2 contributions you can write here. Okay, for every passage. And others if applicable. Just look here, students. Here, just one thing is that others if applicable. If you don't need this, then just don't write it. That's up to you. The others, but the other informations you have to fill up properly. So I think here the family members and contributions in your daily life. That means here the family members' name are here, and here is their contributions. And students, you must mention this frame properly. Now list number 3. Make a list according to the simple list below of what do you do for your family members. This is your work list. Family members and the works which you do for your family members. Now this is actually your contribution to your family. For father, just look here, 1 2 3 3 points are here, and that means for father, what do you do for your father? You have to mention only 3 points. For mother, what do you do for your mother? You have to mention here only 3 points. And for brother, sister, you can mention only 2 points here. But here, as these 3 numbers are given here, 1, 2, 3, that means you have to write at least 3 for father and mother. And for the other members, you can write at least 2 points. Okay, students, I think today's topic is easy for you now, as I have discussed it. So that means in this assignment you will get only three lists here. There are 3 lists here, and for the first list you have to follow the informations, follow the format of first day for each day. That means for the second day you have to follow the informations or the system of the first day. The third day also the system you have to follow the first day. Okay, so like this way you have to write for 7th day. So you have to maintain this properly. And students, I am repeating, your date of submission is 17th June. Okay. Now that's all for today, students. See you. Allah Hafiz.